Simplify your labeling with the DYMO LabelWriter 450. Tired of messy handwriting or wasting time cutting labels? The DYMO LabelWriter 450 is here to transform your labeling tasks into a seamless, professional process. Whether you're organizing files, shipping packages, or creating barcodes, this compact, easy-to-use printer delivers sharp, high-quality labels with a click of a button. Why choose the DYMO LabelWriter 450? Effortless organization. Create address labels, file tags, and name badges in seconds. Keep your workspace tidy and professional looking. Fast and reliable, print up to 51 labels per minute with precision and clarity. No ink or toner required. Customizable designs. Use the DYMO software to create personalized labels with text, images, and even barcodes that fit your specific needs. Cost-effective, thermal printing technology eliminates the hassle of ink or toner, saving you time and money. Perfect for home, office, or small business. The DYMO LabelWriter 450 is your ultimate partner for streamlining your tasks. Print shipping labels for your small business, organize office supplies, or label personal items at home. Its versatility makes it a must-have for staying ahead in any setting. Why wait? Simplify your life today. Say goodbye to clutter and chaos. With the DYMO LabelWriter 450, you'll experience faster, cleaner, and more efficient labeling. Compact, powerful, and easy to set up, it's the perfect tool to elevate your organization game. Order your DYMO LabelWriter 450 now and take the first step toward a more organized, stress-free workspace, because when life's organized, everything runs smoother.